Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. So today I had just finished filming an unboxing of my scrapbooking for less stuff, and I hadn't checked the mailbox, and I guess there was a Planner Society kit in there, bits and pieces. It was an auction that I won on eBay a while back. It finally came in the mail, and it really, I think I paid $12 for all of this. It was like $7.99. I won the auction for $7.99, and then there was shipping, so I think it was like $12 altogether. But it looks like I got quite a bit of stuff. They're just like bits and pieces of different Planner Society things. And I love Planner Society. It's one of my favorite kits. I don't subscribe to it because it's super expensive. But when I can find an auction really cheap, sometimes I'll buy their stuff because people who do subscribe to the kit will get rid of the stuff that they don't want. And I always find a use for it. So this is just a little album. And it's like a leather, really soft leather bound album. And I love these little ones that I can like do just a little pages in. It's really cute. Or I can give it as a gift. Like I'll do little pages and give it to a family member as a gift with pictures in it and stuff like that. These are Scarlet Lime Planner Society. It looks like one of the paper clips is gone, but there's two of them. Sometimes I use these on scrapbook pages. Sometimes I use them as a paper clip in my planner. It just all depends. These paper clips I'll definitely use in my scrapbook, on a scrapbook page, because I don't use the shaped ones to clip papers together. I'll just use them as an embellishment. So this is Scarlet Lime. I don't know what months these are from because it's just a combination of a bunch of different months. So it was just a good deal. It was a good price. So that's why I bid on it, and I won it for, like I said, I think it was $7.49 or something like that. So there's a flower and a dragonfly and a horse. These are Postit Notes, but I will use them on my scrapbook pages as an embellishment because there's no room to write on them, and it's just really cute. So these are just these little girls. And it's just a sticky pad, like a Postit Note sticky pad. And these are little sequins, like to make little shaker boxes. And there's horses in here and flowers and just a bunch of different shaped sequins, which are really cool. I love making shaker boxes, so that's fun. Here's some more Post-it notes. And these I'll probably, like the heart-shaped ones, there's not really a lot of room to write a lot, so I'll probably use them as embellishments on my scrapbook pages, which is what I normally do with the Scarlet Lime stuff. It's kind of too fancy for your planner, but some people use it for their planner. I just usually use most of the stuff for my scrapbook. This is a bow that's obviously upside down because that's the back of the bow. It's got a heart, and it's one of those dangly clip things. I have one on one of my planners. I think it's this one here. You can see it. And I don't always use them on my planner. I could put it on like the corner of a scrapbook album just as an extra embellishment. These are like bobby pins, But I usually, what I do is I'll use them on a scrapbook page as an embellishment. Sometimes I take the bobby pin off if I can get the bobby pin off and just glue the word on. But sometimes I'll clip it on. This just says plan hello today note. And you can use these in place of a paper clip if you want. This is a stamp set, which that was part of the reason why I got this set. I think there's a couple stamps in here, and stamps are expensive. So, I mean, to get this whole thing for $7 and some odd cents was, well, not including shipping, but still, I mean, even the $12 with all of it, that was a really good deal. So these are like check boxes. So I'll probably use that for planning. And this girl with her planner, that's a cute stamp. Very cute. These are magnetic clips. I don't generally use these in my planner just because they don't stick very well. But they'll be cute on as an embellishment on a scrapbook page. Here's another really cute stamp. It's a girl. And another stamp set. She says morning, afternoon, evening to do cleaning, groceries, budget. It's got 2 labels. And it's got some nature stamps, which are really cute. So some of these I'll probably use for planning, but like all this I'll use for scrapbooking. And some enamel dots, which you can't go wrong with those because love enamel dots. And another stamp set, weekend plans, menu, odds and ends, must do today, shopping list, little things. So it's definitely planner related stamps. These are labels, like the tabs, and I use those for scrapbooking. And then it looks like there's some stickers behind there too, which you can put on the tabs, or you can really do anything with them. I usually use them in my scrapbooking. And here are some shaker packets. I'm not going to take them out. I think there's a few different shaker packets in here that are pre-made. I make them myself. I have one of those, you know, those ceiling things that, like, these are sewn with stitching. And then they just shake. And they have a cute sentiment. You've got the sweet girl, which is really cute. I'll probably use this one for a page with Amari because she's a sweet little girl. But it's just like a card and they stitch it. I have one that like it's like a ceiling. How do you describe it? I can't remember what the actual name for it is. It seals the plastic together. So you can make your own shaker packets, and you can use the plastic. These work really great for those. The packaging, the plastic packaging from these little packets work really great in that. And this is one that is just a pocket card that you can stick other stuff in. And what else is in here? Some more shaker packets. Here's another one. This one, what does this one say? Is it the same? No, you do you. That's cute. It's got cute little sequins in it. And here's another pocket one, I think. Yeah, you can stick stuff in. It's got cactus. That'll be good for Arizona pictures. And this is just a card that I can use. this is what I mean about the packaging. So you would put a card or something in here, and then you put it in the little sealing thing, and it just like how these envelopes are sealed to begin with. That's kind of what that device or appliance or tool does, whatever you want to call it. It like makes this kind of edging on it, if that makes sense. And I can't think for the life of me what it's called. Here's some more tabs with stickers. There's a lot of stuff in here. Gosh. More than I thought. Some more Post-it notes that I'll probably use for scrapbooking as embellishments. I don't use a lot of Post-it notes. I use them sometimes when I'm planning school. But I don't use them a whole lot. And I definitely don't use the decorative ones for planning. I use those for scrapbooking. It's just an embellishment. And I just, I will put adhesive on the whole thing, even though there's adhesive on part of it, because it's a Post-it note. I just, so this is a card. These are like Project Life cards, but these are square ones. It says Love Style Life, Be You, Follow Your Heart, Enjoy Today, You Got This, and Create a Colorful Life. It's very cute. And there's more. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff. And then there's that little girl again in a clip. And there is a card that says notes. Very cute. And another Post-it note with balloons. Another stamp set. And this one has like check boxes. It's got diamonds and roses and pineapples. And these are some more Project Life cards. Successful people never worry about what others are doing. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy planners. Cute. The future belongs to those who believe in chasing their dreams. Big things often have small beginnings. Cute. Ah, stuck. Oh. All right, and there's more. My goodness. Okay, so there's more Project Life cards. Beautiful. Make beautiful things. Inner beauty is great, but a little mascara never hurt. Oh, these are double-sided. Happiness is the best. Makeup. What's this? The back of this one. Protect your lips. I think I'll use the other side. That's funny. Enjoy, or every flower must grow through dirt. Okay. Be yourself. What is this? Eye cream. And this has got like a lemon. What does this say? You fill me with sunshine. That's cute. Okay, and some more of these cards. So, take the bull by the horns. And she is like a wild flower, beautiful, fierce, and free. Okay, and another card. Be you bravely. That's cute. Okay, and another card. Wow, lots of Project Life cards. Keep moving forward. I like that one. Okay, and then there's a big card. You must be the change you want to see in the world. And then there's some label puffy stickers, which are really cute. I really like those. So, and that's it. That's my Planner Society bundle that I got from eBay for $12, including shipping. So that's a pretty good deal. Gosh, there's a lot of stuff in there. So, yeah. So my second video today, which I don't normally do too, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. I will talk to you later. Bye.